Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Beta, it is the period of biology, class 10, lecture number 4. Today our topic is the mechanism of breathing. As we know, the breathing is the physical movements associated with the gases exchange are called breathing. Okay, breathing is the involvement of our physical organs just like thoracic cavity, chest cavity, lungs to intake the oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide. It is called the breathing associated with physical movements. Now there are two phases of breathing. First is inspiration or inhalation. When we take air in our lungs, it is called inhalation, and the second phase is expiration or exhalation. Okay, when we left the air outside of the lungs, it is called expiration or exhalation. And there are some steps or some basic movements which involve in inspiration and expiration during the respiratory exchange of gases. In inspiration, what happens when we inhale the air in our body? What happens to our different parts of the body or different organs involved in the respiratory system are, okay, when we inhale, the rib muscle contract. Rib muscle contract and the ribs are raised. Rib muscle contract and ribs are raised. The dome shape diaphragm, which is situated below the lungs, is contract and its position becomes lowered. Next, increase area in thoracic cavity. When we inhale the air, our thoracic cavity or chest cavity area is increased. This causes the reduction of pressure in lungs. There is low pressure in lungs and air comes into the lungs, and pressure decrease, air comes into lungs, and the both lungs are equalizer. This is the steps during inhalation. A rib muscle contract, ribs are raised, dome shaped diaphragm contract, lower, increase area in thoracic cavity, reduce pressure in lungs, lungs expand, pressure decrease, air comes into lungs. Now what happens when we leave out the air from our lungs? What are the steps? These are the steps which are opposite to the inspiration. Here rib muscle contract, here rib muscle relax, ribs lowered, diaphragm relaxed or raised, reduce space in thoracic cavity, increase pressure in lungs, and lungs contract, air is expelled out. When we inhale, air is expelled out with increased pressure, with a reduced space in thoracic cavity, diaphragm relaxed and raised, and rib muscle lowered. If we see, okay, the normal breathing rate in humans is 60 to 20 times per minute. When we are in normal conditions, our breathing rate is 16 to 20 times per minute. This breathing rate is controlled by a special respiratory center in brain. When we do hard or extraneous exercise, the concentration of carbon dioxide increased in blood. This message goes to brain, and brain order to rib muscle and diaphragm that to reduce this concentration of carbon dioxide from the blood, and order the rib cage, rib muscles and diaphragm to expire the all carbon dioxide outside of the body. During hard exercise, our breathing rate becomes 30 to 40 times per minute. If we look the composition between the inspired and expired air, when we inhale, the amount of oxygen is 21%, amount of carbon dioxide is 0.04%, amount of nitrogen is 79%, amounts of water vapors variable depend upon the climate situations, and amount of dust particle, this is also called the variable because there are less or more dust particle may occur in atmosphere. And temperature, it is also variable depend upon the situation of the temperature outside of the weather conditions. So it is a composition of inspired air. Okay, when we take air, it consists of 21% oxygen 0.04%, carbon dioxide 79%, nitrogen. Amount of water is also variable, amount of particle is variable, temperature is variable. But when we exhale the air, it has the different composition. Here oxygen is 21% when we inhale the air, but when we exhale the air, it is consist of 16% oxygen, 4% carbon dioxide, which is more than inhaled carbon dioxide. There is no change in nitrogen concentration. Amount of water vapor is variable in inspired air, but when we expire or exhale, it is saturated with water vapors. If we talking about the dust particle, variable when we inhale, but almost the same composition of dust particle. And temperature variable, but when we inhale the air, almost equal to body temperature. The temperature match with our body temperature. So this is the composition of inspired air and expired air. Thank you very much.